Have you ever felt like you're putting in the work, but not making the progress you should be? You're watching the videos, reading the posts, analyzing the charts. You're trying to become a better trader, but sometimes it feels like you're figuring everything out the hard way. That's why the Premium Plus community exists, not as a chat room, but as a place where serious traders come together to learn, share insights, and grow. Here, you'll gain access to a private community of traders who actively discuss market structure, liquidity, order flow, sentiment, risk, developing opportunities, and news impacting the market. You'll benefit from a constant exchange of ideas, perspectives, observations, and market insights from traders with different styles, experiences, and areas of expertise. You'll gain access to exclusive content, educational resources, market analysis, and insights that help you better understand what's happening in the market and why. You'll see how other traders interpret market conditions, evaluate opportunities, and manage risk. You'll gain perspectives that challenge your assumptions and help you think more critically about the market. You'll also gain direct access to exclusive market briefings and discussions with Material Indicators founders. Because becoming a better trader isn't just about having better tools, it's about developing better judgment, better discipline, and a deeper understanding of how markets work. No trader sees everything, but together, we can see more than we can see alone. Whether you're an active trader, investor, or somewhere in between, the Premium Plus community can accelerate your development, shorten the learning curve, and provide valuable market context that's difficult to find on your own. And because access is reserved for Premium Plus subscribers, discussions remain focused, relevant, and high signal. Stop trying to figure everything out on your own. Learn from others, share your insights, continue growing. Join a community committed to helping you become a more disciplined, data-driven trader. Get access now.